Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to check your storage space on your Mac. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get started. First, look for the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Okay, once you're in the System Settings application, find General in the left-hand sidebar and click on that. Now in the General Settings, you'll see Storage. Go ahead and click on Storage. Give it a few seconds. Your Mac will now calculate how much storage is being used and what's taking up the most space. It will present this information visually using color-coded blocks. If you want a more detailed breakdown, scroll down to the Data Types section. Next to each data type, you'll see a small eye icon. Click on that icon to see a list of all the files and data within that category that are taking up space on your Mac. Here's a really cool feature. You can actually delete files directly from this table. Just select the data you want to remove and click the Delete button. This will free up storage space on your Mac. Alternatively, if you're running low on space, you can choose to store everything in iCloud. Click on the Optimize button. What this does is it moves all your files to the cloud, and only keeps recently used files on your Mac. You can always download the original files whenever you need them. Personally, I prefer to keep all my files on my Mac for faster access, and so I don't need internet, but it's a handy option if you're really struggling for storage. So that's it. That's how you can check your storage space on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks from Rome Tips. Thanks for watching.